Howdy partners, meet Pistol Pete. We're about to have a ball with a few fun football-themed moves. Yes, he works out. Check out those guns. Let's get started. The first move we'll try today is squats. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart, and you're gonna bend at your knees like you're sitting back in a chair. Try to keep your chest up, that way someone could read the words on your shirt. Then you'll stand right back up and do it again. Great job. The next move we'll try today is high knees. You're going to stand and try to bring your knees as high as you can. You can either walk or run. Great job. Our next move we'll try today is the football drill. Boomer and friends are about to show you how it's done. So we're gonna stand and we're gonna run in place and then go down, and we'll burpee back and then jump up. And we'll do that over and over for our time. Great job, you nailed it. Our next move today is going to be the ladder drill. You're gonna start with your feet together, and we're gonna step out and back in, step out with our opposite foot and back in. You can do this two ways, by either stepping in a walking form, or you can knock it up a notch and do it in a running form. Let's try it together. Great job. Our next move we'll try today is a touchdown dance. We're going to start by running in place and then scoring our touchdown. Then you get to show off your touchdown moves. We'll do it a few times. And that's a wrap. Pair your new moves with a glass of ice-cold water and a barbecue turkey burger from Shape Your Future. It's one surefire way to make sure your tailgate party is tail great.